Hi everyone, this is Dan at Dan's Retirement Journey. We're Philippines bound. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. The in-laws have moved into the house, and we purchased a few things to make life comfortable. Here's Minnie's cousin, the carpenter, working on the cabinetry underneath the countertop where the sink is. See, they do everything by hand here. We did run into a few plumbing issues, and I want to go over that a little bit. Things just weren't plumbed right, and we had to hire another plumber to come in and do the work correctly. Yes, plumbing issues, but they weren't serious. I wouldn't say they were serious. You can see here there's a new water supply line. This is what was in it before, this flexible plumbing line. We didn't like it at all. It wasn't efficient. It wasn't going to do the job that we needed it to do. So I had them yank that out of there. And also the water supply line wasn't right. It wasn't big enough in order to move the volume of water that you need in order to support this type of a house. So we had to change over. We're in the process of changing over all the water supply lines. That's the kind of work I like. That's solid. Of course, in order to do that, we had to yank out that blue water line and reinstall the supply line. We decided to centralize the water heater so we can get a nice supply of hot water coming from a single location, as opposed to using individual Insta-Hots or water on demand in each sink and each shower. I think this is a good idea. So we have to purchase the water heater, and we also have to purchase the water pump with the reserve tank to make sure that we get consistent water pressure. It's actually a lot bigger house than I planned for, and we need to make sure that we have a good water pressure and that the supply of water is adequate to support the house. So you got the guys here are skim coating and painting. They're still at it. Here they're working in the loft room that's above the storage area or the pantry area. I think they're doing a fantastic job. We also plan on putting an air conditioner in this room as well. Should have a total of 5 or 6 air conditioning units by the time all is said and done. So you can see we're making progress. The in-laws did have to move in the house though, and the one reason why they had to move in was because the lease expired on the house that we were renting. So they had to move in even though the house wasn't quite 100% ready to go. They're using the Kubo in order to cook in until we can get everything back online here. We did purchase some furnishings. Wanted to make life comfortable for the family.
Ako gigo man hinoon dito tangada. na nag-ulit. Bitaw na.
Sige, nagunitan.
Ali.
Ang galing ka.
Hindi, nag-handlock na dyan.
This is the sofa. Butang na nga sofa nga sa.
Gamay ra manok na.
Doon na din, no? Doon sa tao. Tangtang na ba to ba? Dadaan ang adto. Tugwayan ay.
Tanga tanga.
Ako na boss, mo?
Oh, sa akong. Ano akong. Karon to man eh. Okay.
Inay. Okay, barato rin ako na.
Sa ako na, kwarto. Oh. Oh, the other one. Oh, ata na siya mo kwarto. Oh, here comes the queen bed.
The queen bed. Sure.
Hello, yes.
Asa ba
Yeah.
lang TV doon? Wala pa?
Na ang TV eh.
Asa lang? Tapos gilid ba?
Sa kilid, taas kilid. Pagibutang.
Tapos na? The queen bed right here.
Ah, na.
Sana. Yeah, yes, clearly. The 55 inches.
Gamay raman na, tipad.
Pareho ng TV na ni Merking. Sama ni? Wala to? Ana na siya? Paano na siya?
Ah, ana lang, ana. Mana na, headboard na na yung ato.
Dapat ang headboard dito.
Ayaw, sakto na na. Headboard na.
Lahi mo lang ito. Sa amin mangignal to. Dito naman headboard lang.
Asa man mo ibutang ang TV, ngani. Ato, ibutang mo ang
Oh,
TV.
butangan pa din nag-TV din eh.
Lain ibutang ang TV.
More or less, napa.
Unsa pa may lain, amo na lang ning last day.
Hindi, parang na mo sa 100,000 na pino.
100 na, pa, about 70 plus.
Gamit lagi tayo na i-create
Ha?
Gamit din yung
Mauwaw naman.
asa mo rin dati.
Mang snack, sana ita.
Yan, sabi ko, hindanan ninyo. Ha?
This is the aircon that I bought yesterday. So this is my room. So this is the bed that I delivered yesterday in the morning. This is double bed.